Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I'm hearing George Norrie saying the guy from Pittsburgh. And he confused Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with Pittsburgh, California. And I said, George, Kathy lives in Pittsburgh, California. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. You know, the Steelers, the Steel Town, the rivers, all that stuff. But he was engaging in adult beverages, so I don't know. All right, this has come in a bag. It has been examined, and this says, and I think this will help with your breath when Kathy visits. People are giving me hints here. Well, the only thing is that this is a bottle of Listerine Fresh Burst, and I use Scope, but I will use it. Thank you. I appreciate it. I brush my teeth every day and use Scope. So it is most appreciated. Anything said to me that is decent and good is appreciated. And I had a great time at the convention, but I'm not going to go down to another event with 4 hours of sleep. Getting too over that stuff. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I have to get up and go feed Tiny One, and Mama Cat and Kitten did not get their wet food, but there was dry food left here for them every day, and they did get dry food left for them. When I went down to feed them Friday morning, they weren't there. Now the other kitties got fed: Gray, Orangey, Tiny One, and Lori and Fenton asked about Talkie, and I said, I haven't seen him for about a month. He's not neutered. She said, well, if you can capture him, I have someone who will take him and give him a home. So I'm going to try to capture Talkie if I can see him. But when they're not neutered, they wander, and I got to find him. I love him dearly, but I miss him a lot. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I have work to do with transferring all these videos off the Vivitar and the Android phone, which I'm very glad to have had. New SD card was put in this phone, in this camera. So there's lots of videos there, and you'll get to see Nori and people at the event. I did not film the dealer's room because dragging around these on my back wore me out, and lack of sleep. So it had about 8 tables, and I was in there, but I was so tired and sore from lugging all those. And by the end of when I went home this morning, my back was killing me. So next time I'll have an iPad and an iPhone, and I'll have had sleep, I hope. I always have trouble sleeping the night before going to a convention. I don't know why. Maybe I'm too energized or something. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and this has been Burgh Unboxing. Bye-bye for now.